Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is leek and mushroom sourbread toasties. Glorified cheese on toast, but well glorified, I'll tell you that. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, the first thing you do is melt the butter in a suitable sized pan, add the mushrooms and leeks and salt and pepper to taste, and saute off for about 3 or 4 minutes until the leeks are all softened and the mushrooms given up some of their moisture. Then when this is done, add a tablespoon of flour into the mixture and mix in well. Then add the milk a splash at a time until the consistency you want is achieved. You're not looking for a sauce, you're looking just to hold everything together. Next we add the cheese. We're using a mature cheddar, but you can use any cheese you like. It was at this point during the filming I suggested to the wife we put a tablespoon of whole grain mustard in. I thought that'd taste nice, but I got one of her looks, so no mustard. Then it's time to put 3 or 4 slices of good sourdough bread on a grill tray, place under a grill until nice and toasted. Then you turn the bread over and liberally spoon over the mixture on the untoasted side, as you see here. And you should have something that looks like this. Then pop it back under the grill until it's nice and golden brown and bubbling. And there you are, leek and mushroom sourbread toasties. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. I still think mustard would have tasted nice.